Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the digital skills. As many students are asking me, sir, give me about part-time job, freelancing, or what skill we should learn. So today in this video, I will explain in detail. So please do watch the video till end. As mentioned in the thumbnail, free digital skills to corporate success. In this course, we will learn digital marketing like website creating, SEO, and many more things. Job for students and free digital skills. In this video, I will tell you what I am going to teach: WordPress, SEO, Blogger, WooCommerce, Wix building and designing. Learning digital skills make you work as a freelancer and independent. No need to work under any of the organization. As you all know, college degree is not enough to get jobs. We need to learn some digital skills like creating websites, blogging, SEO, designing, Canva, Figma, etc., which will be helpful to get a good package. WordPress is one of the most famous website builder. It has more than 400 themes and plugins to create any type of website all over the world. The next one is Wix. It is very easy to design and create website compared to WordPress. And search engine optimization to rank any website or any topic on the Google. And WooCommerce is a e-commerce platform building website builder to build any website like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. So students who are interested in this course, please fill the form given in the description. Students need to learn digital skills for high package jobs, like an average package for digital marketing will be 3 lakhs. So course wise I will upload the video. Till then, do subscribe to our channel and join our community. Thank